Definition of commercial intelligence. Understanding the definition of commercial intelligence. In today's competitive marketplace, organizations are increasingly turning to data-driven strategies to gain a competitive edge. Among the tools and methodologies used to support strategic decision-making, commercial intelligence has emerged as a crucial discipline. Often confused with business intelligence, commercial intelligence provides a broader, market-oriented perspective that aligns business actions with external opportunities and risks. In this lesson, we will define commercial intelligence by breaking it down into its foundational elements, distinguishing it from related concepts, and illustrating its practical relevance across diverse industries. Exploring the basics of commercial intelligence. 1. What is commercial intelligence? Commercial intelligence, CI, is the systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of both internal and external data to support strategic business decisions. While internal metrics, like sales, costs, and operational KPIs, give insight into a company's performance, CI extends the lens outward, capturing competitor moves, market dynamics, consumer behavior, regulatory shifts, and geopolitical developments. It's not a one-off report. It's a continuous process, forming a feedback loop that enables organizations to be not only reactive to change but proactively positioned for emerging opportunities and threats. 2. Internal versus external data in CI. Practical examples. Internal sources. Sales data, e.g., a retailer tracking which products sell fastest in different regions. Customer service records, identifying recurring complaints to adjust offerings. Inventory levels, to anticipate production needs or supply gaps. External sources. Competitor analysis, monitoring rivals' product launches, pricing, or expansion strategies. Regulatory changes, new tax policies, trade tariffs, or environmental rules. Technological trends, emerging innovations, e.g., AI or blockchain impacting operations. Geopolitical shifts, conflicts, elections, or international sanctions that affect markets. For example, an African oil servicing firm may track global crude oil price trends, external, and local equipment utilization rates, internal, to plan its procurement and contracting strategies more effectively. 3. Commercial intelligence in action. Real-life case studies. Case Study 1. Netflix's global expansion. Context. Netflix moved from being a US DVD rental service to a global streaming giant. CI application. A data collection. They analyzed local viewing habits, broadband penetration, and regulatory environments in various countries. A insight. In markets like India and Nigeria, users preferred mobile viewing with low data consumption. Strategic action. Netflix introduced mobile-only plans and invested in localized content, e.g., Sacred Games in India, Blood Sisters in Nigeria. A result, massive subscriber growth in emerging markets, offsetting stagnation in North America. Backhand index pointing right, this is CI in practice, aligning product strategy with external market intelligence. Case Study 2. Coca-Cola's response to sugar regulations. Context. Around 2015 to 2020, several governments, e.g., UK, Mexico, South Africa, introduced sugar taxes to curb obesity. CI application. And monitoring regulatory changes, Coca-Cola's intelligence teams tracked legislative developments globally. A market analysis. Consumer sentiment data showed rising preference for healthier drinks. Strategic action. Coca-Cola diversified its portfolio, launching zero-sugar drinks, bottled water brands, and juice-based products in affected markets. A result, Coca-Cola maintained market share and brand reputation despite regulatory headwinds. Backhand index pointing right here, CI allowed a proactive rather than reactive strategy, mitigating risk through timely product innovation. Case Study 3. Nigerian fintech startups versus traditional banks. Context. Between 2018 to 2023, Nigeria experienced a fintech boom, e.g., Paystack, Flutterwave. CI application. A competitor analysis. Fintechs closely observed gaps in bank service delivery, long queues, lack of mobile access, slow loan processing. A customer intelligence. Surveys and usage data revealed that youths wanted fast, mobile-first, low-cost solutions. Strategic action. Fintechs launched user-friendly mobile apps, instant transfers, and microlending products. Result: they rapidly acquired millions of users, forcing banks to upgrade their own digital services. Backhand index pointing right commercial intelligence guided fintech strategy to disrupt traditional players effectively.